How to restore old photos. HitPaw Enhancer app versus Photoshop. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to restore old photos using two different methods: the HitPaw Enhancer app and Photoshop. Old photos are a treasure, but they can often become faded, torn, or damaged over time. Fortunately, there are ways to bring them back to life. So let's get started. Method 1. HitPaw Enhancer app. The HitPaw Enhancer app is a user-friendly and accessible app that can help restore old photos in just a few simple steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download the HitPaw Enhancer app on your device. Step 2. Open the app and select Enhancer from the menu. Step 3. Choose the old photo that you want to restore from your device's gallery. Step 4. Adjust the settings such as brightness, contrast, and sharpness to your desired level. You can also use the Auto Enhance feature to let the app do the work for you. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with the results, save the restored photo to your device's gallery. And that's it. The HitPaw Enhancer app makes it easy to restore old photos in just a few simple steps. It's a great option for those who want a quick and easy way to restore old photos without having to invest in more complex software. The Auto Enhance feature is also a great advantage as compared to Photoshop. Method 2. Photoshop. Photoshop is a more advanced software that can be used to restore old photos in greater detail. But it involves complexity and training on how to use the software. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open Photoshop and select the old photo that you want to restore. Step 2. Create a duplicate layer of the photo by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Duplicate Layer. Step 3. Use the Clone Stamp tool to remove any scratches or blemishes on the photo. This tool allows you to copy and paste pixels from one area of the photo to another. Step 4. Use the Healing Brush tool to fix any areas that need smoothing or blending. This tool allows you to blend pixels from one area of the photo to another seamlessly. Step 5. Adjust the levels, brightness, and contrast of the photo to your desired level. Step 6. Once you're satisfied with the results, save the restored photo to your device. While Photoshop may be a more complex option, it provides greater control and flexibility in restoring old photos. It's a great option for those who want to restore old photos in greater detail and are willing to invest more time and effort into the process. But it requires steep learning for inexperienced users, as it might not be intuitive to a few users. In conclusion, both the HitPaw Enhancer app and Photoshop are great options for restoring old photos. The HitPaw Enhancer app is a quick and easy option that's perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. Photoshop is a more advanced software that provides greater control and flexibility in the restoration process. Ultimately, the method you choose will depend on your personal preferences, budget, and time constraints.